Adobe acquired Figma for $20 billion. I know. You heard the news and you're worried about the future of your favorite design tool. And I understand because I'm worried too. You have no idea what's gonna happen to Figma. Is it gonna be the same or is it gonna be merged with Adobe XD? Should we start looking for an alternative? So here is my take on this. Is it good that Adobe bought Figma? Well, yes and no. Let me clarify. Adobe is a great company with great software and technologies. In fact, I'm an Adobe user and I love its tools. The fact that Adobe bought Figma means that Figma can now benefit from Adobe's technologies and its experiences in the design industry, which is fantastic, and it's their intention, according to Figma's CEO. But here is the catch. Adobe already has its own UI UX design software called Adobe XD. So what's the reason and motive behind this acquisition? I don't know. Maybe they want to use Figma's user base and gradually put an end to Figma, and I really hope it's not the case. Or perhaps they want to bring Figma to Adobe's ecosystem for a seamless experience so that you can quickly move between Adobe's software and use your assets and design system across different tools, which is beneficial. For now, they stated that Figma is gonna operate autonomously, which means it's a separate product, and they plan to keep the pricing the same. But is it gonna stay this way always? We'll see. I think Figma is a great tool and worth paying for, but what concerns me is that if Adobe decides to make it a paid tool like its other tools, then what should design students use when they are just starting out, when they have no clients or projects yet? In fact, that's something I personally experienced when I wanted to teach Adobe's tools in my university classes, but many of my students couldn't afford them, even with their educational discount. The other thing Figma does best is focusing on product design, not anything else. And I really hope they don't convert Figma into an all-in-one web-based design software for everyone. So overall, I try to be optimistic about this significant change and hope Figma becomes an even better tool for the whole design community. And remember, although using the right tools is important, they can be easily replaced. What matters the most is your experience and knowledge, because no matter what tool you use, it's your skills that make you a great designer. Please let me know what you think about Figma's future in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Have a great day and see you soon.